Yes, I have a new product to unbox, and this is my HP DeskJet 1112 printer. So this is a good branded printer and it is a beautiful looking printer, so not much costly, and it is good for home use. This won't be good for an office use. So if you have multiple printouts, if you have to do multiple printouts, then it won't be a good choice, this one. But otherwise it's a very good printer. I had ordered this from Amazon and the cost for this was 1899 rupees. So we have cartridges over here. One is a USB cable and one is a power cable, and there are a few manuals over here. So look at this, it has a beautiful flap over here. So over here it will, hold all the papers over here like this. And after the printout it will come sliding out over here. And there is another extra flap over here and it won't fall out. So let me show you about the cartridges. The USB cable has been connected over here. So we'll connect it to the PC like this. And the power cable has been connected over here. The flap for the paper I have kept it open. So I have this A4 size paper over here and I'll adjust it properly. So we have to keep it properly over here so that it slides perfectly inside, and after the printout it will come out from here. So now let's start the printing process. I'll start the power. Now let's start giving a black and white printout. Okay, so I have this document over here. So I'll give the print command. See, all the configuration is correct. And here our printing has started. Just take a look. So look at this. The printout is really clear and it's really properly printed. It's really beautiful. It's looking perfect. This is how we should actually get the printout. So each black and white printout will cost you around 1 to 2 rupees, and each color printout will cost you around 4 to 5 rupees. So yes, it was successful. Look out for the colored printout. Now we'll give a colored printout for this pic. So take a look, the colored printout is taking some time, so it's not too much time. And the second bad point is that the printing, the process of printing is a little slower, but the printout is really clear. Take a look, it is really clear and sharp. So we can take a printout of pics on a different paper. Right now I've taken it on an A4 paper, but we can take it on a more glossy paper and it will look really like a photograph. So this printer will work in all the windows, all kinds of windows. So the good point about this printer is, in such a cheap cost we get a branded printer, that is HP. That's why I chose this to buy this. So the bad point about this is, if you have to use the printer for multiple pages printout, then it's not possible in this printer. This is a very cheap option for home use. And during these lockdown times, we have to do more online shopping. So during such times, it's good to give a review of the things that you have purchased, so that it helps the other buyers to make a proper choice. And that's why I believe in reviewing the products which I buy. So I hope it helped you, and I really liked it. So that is why I bought it.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple.